Welcome guys to today's video. We got the 6700 XT XFX edition. What's up everybody? Today we have an XFX 6700 XT that we're going to go ahead and unbox here for you so you can see what it looks like. You can tell from the packaging it is an AIB card. It is not the original 6700 XT. Let's see how nice it is. It's quite a long box compared to the other cards that I do have. And we got some foam. We got a download your driver online piece of paper. Got some anti-static bags that we don't really need. Finally, we have the card itself. Now this is a 3-fan card design. Go ahead and open it up here for you guys. You can see nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these blue tabs on the card. And pull the card out of the plastic wrap. So here we go, we have the 6700 XT. It appears to be a 3-fan model. It has 2 8-pins on the back here, you guys can see. And that will allow for higher power for more overclocks. Now, for mining, we don't really need that, but for gaming, this thing will come in handy. It has a smaller memory bus than previous AMD cards, so it actually is a little bit worse in mining. And we'll have a video explaining how it does in mining with all the algorithms and everything, and we'll see how that goes. The one interesting thing is it looks like they've kind of taken a cue from the 30 series NVIDIA cards, and they have a little bit of the heatsink over there. That way air flows through. As you can see, this fan here, and the air will flow through right here. We'll have to see how well it actually does, but we do have a couple of I/O ports here. I'll go ahead and remove these, that way we can go through and show you guys. But there are 3 display ports, one here, and one here, and 1 HDMI port right there. You have the nice XFX logo, and it looks kind of nice, I guess, compared to the other cards that I have had, the reference designs. So let me go grab the reference design and I can show you a difference between the two. Alright, so this is the reference AMD 6700 XT. I kind of like the way it looks, to be honest, although this heatsink doesn't actually do anything, unfortunately, which found out from a Gamer's Nexus teardown. But it does have the grid fins over here to push air out, and it's a 8-pin plus a 6-pin versus this thing, which is 2 8-pins. And from a size comparison, the XFX card is about 5% bigger in my opinion. As far as width goes, they are both a 2-slot card. Here again we have the reference design. And then here we do have the XFX design. So stay tuned, and I will have the hash rates come out here soon. We'll see you guys in the next one.